I'm gonna be getting the 50th slot, and yes, I have been leveling up my bees. I have a full level 15 hive, and I'm just gonna get the final hive slot. The reason why I'm tired is because it's like 8 in the morning. I just woke up to get it. Anyways, 3, 2, 1. We have it. We have all hive slots. There it is. Our hive is complete. Million is per 1B. Okay. Let's go. I'm gonna use some star jellies on it. Bro, I just need a gifted hasty bee. No, 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 no. Just give me a hasty bee, please, please. No, 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 oh no, no. No, 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 come on, no, no, fine, I'll take the looker bee. I'm pretty sure I also need that. Maybe, probably not. I don't want to use all, I don't want to get scammed, even though I already did. Okay, use all my strawberries. Spicy bee will get gifted. Oh my goodness. It did not. Why did I do that? That was a dumb decision. All this. And all this. Come on. Please get it. Oh my gosh. Okay. Damn, 25. You know, I actually might be able to get the mythic egg. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but like I can. Yeah, I'll probably just get that. Anyways, I'm also gonna get the star treat from the ticket tent, and I'm gonna end the video off right here, guys. What's my goal now? Should I focus on leveling up my bees, getting like Actually, I'm probably just gonna focus on leveling up my bees. If you guys think I should level up my bees, just comment down below. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you later.